today we're going to be making some ranch popcorn. Alright, today we're going to be making some ranch popcorn. And we use this gold medal ranch seasoning, and we'll get started. We got our 1.5 cups of oil. Add 3 cups of popcorn. Alright, we're heating up our kernels here. We got our oil going, and we're gonna just pop this up so it's nice and hot, and then we're gonna add our seasoning to it. Kernels are starting to go. We'll just keep mixing it up to get this corn popped up. We're gonna take that and we're gonna put it in this food safe bag. Add 2/3 of a cup of ranch seasoning to this. Just sprinkle it all on there. Get the bag closed up and just start moving it around, getting it nice and spread out evenly all over the hot popcorn. And while that popcorn's nice and hot, that's what really makes that ranch seasoning stick to this. And there we go, look at that. All nice and coated. You can see a nice piece right there. It's all coated really evenly. And that's what that hot popcorn does with that bag. It really helps to coat it really nice. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that is really good. It has some really good flavor. Really, really good, very flavorful. And there you have it.